How to become a millionaire. 9. Develop a financial plan. No one lucks up into becoming a millionaire. Becoming a millionaire requires intentional planning. You need a detailed financial plan to hit 7 figures. Your financial plan should list all of your financial goals and objectives, and should tell you exactly how much money you need to save in order to reach your goal of becoming a millionaire. This way you can gauge if you are on track. If you need help constructing a plan, hire a fee-only financial advisor. You paid a small one-time fee for the construction of a financial plan with target dates, amounts, goals, and suggestions. You can also construct your own financial plan using financial websites and investment calculators. Be realistic about your financial goals and make sure that you adjust the plan as your income increases. Track and measure your plan progress consistently.